Hi, I'm Hanna Hoyos of the Occupational Safety Division. Welcome to TN Minute. The Safe Days of Summer Drive to Zero campaign begins May 1 and runs through the end of the summer. The campaign is part of the Safety's Intentional brand that reminds TxDOT employees to make safety a priority. The summer days are longer and the temperatures warmer, in which conditions are ideal for road repair. Historically, the summer months are when the most incidents and injuries occur within our operations. We are asking employees to drive to zero. Develop a plan. Develop a safety plan and communicate with your teammates. Set expectations and follow the process. Recognize hazards. Recognize hazards, then act to reduce risk and prevent injuries or incidents. Intentional behavior. Intentional safe behavior and awareness are within your control. Take action and approach safety with a purpose to create a safe workplace at TxDOT. Value life. Every person's life is valuable. Ensure every worker is protected from hazards and gets home safely. Engage others. Engage others on the importance of safety. Lead and coach others to take ownership in safer work practices. For more information, visit the OCC Safety Portal on Crossroads. Thank you for watching.